Coming up in this video, I've got a really tasty, simple highball serve for cocktail for JJ Whitley's Watermelon and Lime Vodka, and this is tasty. Stay tuned. Hey Drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I hope these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more, or try to give you inspiration. For example, what the hell can you make with JJ Whitley's Watermelon and Lime Vodka? I'm going to tell you right now, because I've got a very simple cocktail for you. Big shout out to my Patreon gang. Thank you for your ongoing support, but more about Patreon at the end of this video. This cocktail, it's kind of like you could do it in a rocks glass, a sort of short tumbler. I'm actually going to do it in this kind of a lovely sort of a 12-ounce highball. I'm going to fill that up with crushed ice at the end. We're going to make this in a cocktail shaker. A very simple 4-ingredient cocktail. As you might have noticed, I haven't got a name for it. What I want you guys to do, when you see the ingredients, when you see the recipe, I want you guys to help me name these cocktails, because I'm terrible at naming cocktails. So in the comments below, drop me your suggestions, your thoughts, and we'll name that up, and that can go into my cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member, right at the end of this video. Right, so first ingredient, 50ml double bubble of your JJ Whitley Watermelon and Lime Vodka. Big sort of bold lime notes coming off there, but the taste is very much watermelon. Oh, it's amazing. I love this stuff. Right, so 50ml double bubble of that vodka. Lime juice, 15ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Very simple, this one. 50ml, because you don't often want complicated drinks. There's no, you know, where's the fun when you spend half an hour making them? You just want nice, easy go-to recipes. So 50ml, 15ml of sugar syrup. And then the final ingredient is just 50ml, or it's up to you, you could go a little bit more. I'm just going 50ml of supermarket owned brand, but it's a cranberry and raspberry juice. I love the raspberry sort of twist on the cranberry. I think that works a treat. So 50ml. There we go. Perfect. Right. Now all we need to do is just ice that up, shake and shake the cocktail down. Right there, the glass iced, that's iced. All we need, shake it, tin on, good hard shake, 12 seconds or so. Right, and when you're ready, just take the glass off, put that to one side, and then all we need to do is just single strain this, loads of crushed ice in there. Perfect. Single strain that into there. Oh, smelling good. And then garnish wise, I've got some watermelon. Pop that in there. You can add a little bit more crushed ice, just to kind of pick that up the top there. And then the last piece of the garnish, I'm actually going to use this. I've started growing some mint. Well, I say I haven't. I've left it to someone more skillful, but I've grown lots of different types of mint. This is apple mint. It's absolutely lovely. Love this. So I'm just going to add that as a garnish as well. That looks super sexy. Stick a straw in. Right. What's this taste like? You might think those ingredients dull that watermelon down. I tell you, they properly don't. The big bold note off that is watermelon. Oh my word, that is a summertime drink and a half, that is. Wow. Watermelon, right, names it. Come on guys, let's name it. Watermelon crush, I don't know, I'm terrible. Watermelon vodka, watermelon lime vodka, lime juice, sugar syrup, cranberry and raspberry juice. Let me know your names in the comments below. Oh, that's good. So good. Oh, amazing. Again, I have to make another one of these just for the photo. Perfect. Anyway, if you like me, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, ring the bell as well. YouTube will then notify you every time I put a new video live. And as I said at the top, my Patreon. I'd love it if you come and join me. Come and check it out. Links in the show notes. Different membership tiers offering different sort of perks for you guys. Go and check my Patreon out. Oh, amazing. Cheers.